This video will guide you through making oat flour cookies with a soft center and rich texture. Using oat flour instead of traditional wheat flour gives these cookies a unique flavor and texture, and makes them gluten-free. So grab your mixing bowl and prepare to bake some delicious oat flour cookies. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a medium bowl, add the butter at room temperature, the granulated sugar, and the light brown sugar. Mix lightly with a spatula, then beat with a hand mixer until pale in color and fluffy. Once fluffy, add both the vanilla extract and egg. Mix until just combined. Now add the baking soda, salt, and gradually add the oat flour through a sieve. Mix until a dough forms. You can use your hands to incorporate all the flour. Then fold in the chocolate chips evenly. To shape the cookie dough, use around 1.5 tablespoons of dough for each cookie and shape it into a ball. Place onto your prepared baking sheet, ensuring there's ample space between each cookie. Place your cookies into the center of your preheated oven and bake for around 8 to 10 minutes. When the cookies are firmly set and lightly browned, it's time to remove them from the oven. Leave cookies to cool before eating. Serve and enjoy. Thank you for watching this video and joining me in making these delicious oat flour cookies. Remember, these cookies are not only tasty but also a healthy alternative to traditional cookies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes like this.